Hi guys, here's another video. As you can see here, just about to pull the cord on the lawnmower and it snapped. So I'm gonna have a look at repairing that today. So on this model, you're just gonna undo these 4 screws, 4 nuts on the top, which I'm doing here, and it holds the cord pull assembly. So let me just show you here. I'm just undoing the 3 nuts. Different machines have slightly different setups. Okay, that's the assembly removed, so I can show you inside. And you can see the cord there where it snapped off and hanging off. Let me show you here. That's the cord there. So what I'm going to do is remove the cord, the old cord, and there's a little knot there where it holds in. Let me just freeze frame this. The cord wraps around here, it just coils around this wheel. So I'm going to remove it. I'm just going to pull it out the sides. As you can see here, just unravel it by pulling it out the sides. In some models you have to dismantle the whole unit. So here you can see me just pulling the cord out. I've grabbed all the nuts which holds the whole thing in place because I've unraveled it. So just a matter of pulling the cord out through the nut, as you can see there. And that's the cord removed. So all I've got to do is find some new cord, and this is the cord pull. Let me just remove the excess cord from that also. Just put a pair of long nose pliers in there to pull the nut out. You see there, and then just pull the cord out like so. So what I'm going to do now is just tie these 2 pieces together where it snapped. Just put a nut in it like so, because I need to know the length. Let me just go and see if we can get some more cord. So this is roughly the length of the cord that was come out of the unit. You can see there, tied it together. And unfortunately I've got some spare cord. I do these things fairly often. So let me sort of unravel it and show you. So what I'm going to do is I've tied the knot on the one end, and I'm just going to get average length against the old cord, as you see there, and I'm just going to make it slightly longer and just cut it off eventually. So this is the length I require. So what I've got to do now, I've already tied a knot around the one end, as you can see here. See the knot there? This will go into the cord pull casing. So on the other end, it's a bit frayed, so I'm just going to wrap a bit of sellotape around the end, so I can lace it through. As you can see there, just wrapping a bit of sellotape around it. Just rip it off. You can see there. This will help me to lace it through. Okay, so if I grab the cord pull assembly, and I'm just going to feed it back through where the nut was, through the hole. Let me just feed it through here. Like I said, I've put a nut on the end already, so it's just a matter of pulling that through. So pull the whole thing through there, and you got the nut where it stops. So all I've got to do now is try and wind this cord back around the pulley. Just trying to do the reverse as before, where I pulled it out of the gap at the side there, the recess. Okay, let me just freeze frame it here because I've got the cord in, so I'm just going to wind it back so there's tension. Just going to wind it back one. You can see here, I'm just winding it back so I get some tension, and then I've just got to hold it and feed the cord through. You can jam a screwdriver in here, stop it unwinding on you, but I'm stubborn, so I'll just do it this way. So what I'm going to do is, there's tension on it now, so I'm just going to hold it while I put the cord pull on the end, cord pull trigger, the end there. I'm just feeding it through, and then once I've fed it through the cord pull handle or trigger, like I said, there's still tension on it, so this is a little bit tricky. All I've got to do now that I've got it fed through, is put a knot on the end of it so it doesn't unravel. Probably want to put a couple of knots on just to be safe, but I've just put the one in, and you can see there, you see the tension straight away. Let me just show you the action. Just took this excess inside the handle, so you want the cord pull to retract straight back in, like you see there, and that looks like a successful repair. So it's just a matter of fitting it back onto the lawnmower the correct way around. Let me just show you here. That's how it came off. And then it's just a matter of, once that's in place, put the nuts back on, as you can see me doing here. Okay, I've tightened it all up, and let's give it a try. And you can hear it crank up there, it started. So I hope that was helpful, and as per usual, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.